Oggi parliamo di assetto dinamico delle barche.
Today we're talking about the dynamic trim of boats. MC² is the brand of Quick Group, dedicated to boat stabilization. On board this boat, the Aquador 250HT, the Intercepta ENG systems are installed. These are blades fitted to the transom, which extend vertically below the waterline to correct the trim.
Sotto le linee d'acqua dello scafo, per correggere l'assetto.
Intercepta ENG is a series currently consisting of 5 models of various sizes for boats, ranging from 20 to 130 feet. They are mass-produced and come in standard sizes, unlike the X series models, which are designed and built for a wide variety of needs and applications.
C'è un aspetto a cui tengo molto. Questi prodotti sono ingegnerizzati e realizzati.
There's one aspect I care about deeply. These products are engineered and manufactured in Italy, specifically in Ravenna, with great attention to vertical integration and a short supply chain. Even the molds were developed and produced in-house, allowing for full control of the entire production process. Now, for those unfamiliar with Quick Group, it's important to know that they have 5 production sites in Italy and are present in over 110 countries worldwide.
Torniamo a Intercepta In.
Let's get back to the Intercepta ENG. Here at the helm we have the control panel for manual operation. But in reality, we can take even better advantage of the system in automatic mode, thanks to an electronic control unit that processes navigation data from an inertial platform. This platform considers all the oscillations and movements of the hull and adjusts the interceptors to modify and correct the boat's trim accordingly.
Ora, al posto di questo pannello, in realtà potremmo vedere.
Instead of using this panel, you can actually view the same data and control the Intercepta ENG from a multifunction display, like one of those we have here at the helm.
L'installazione è semplicissima.
The installation is very simple, partly because the connectors are plug and play, and also because there are no components in the bilge. The Intercepta ENG is applied to the transom, and everything, including the actuator, is integrated into the product. It's important to know that these systems can be used on any boat. Intercepta ENG units range from 35 centimeters to 1 meter in length, and you can install up to 6 of them, allowing use on boats up to 40 meters long.
Su barche di 40 metri di lunghezza. Funzionano con una alimentazione che va da.
They operate with a power supply ranging from 10 to 30 volts, so not only can they meet the needs of different systems, whether 12 or 24 volts, but they can also handle any fluctuations beyond the onboard voltage limits, which unfortunately can often occur. The blade extends 50 millimeters beyond the hull, allowing significant trim adjustments and changes to the heeling angle, even for boats that don't navigate ideally.
Delle barche e anche di quelle che non navigano in modo ideale. La velocità con cui si muovono gli Intercepta.
The Intercepta ENG move at a speed of 40 millimeters per second, which also enables control, at least in part, of the roll while navigating.
Mentre si naviga, ovviamente. A cosa servono gli interceptor in navigazione?
So, what is the purpose of the interceptors during navigation? In this case, the Intercepta ENG help improve the transition from displacement to planing, when the bow of the boat typically rises significantly. With this system, we keep the bow low and can see the area immediately in front of it.
Poi, quando acceleriamo,
then, as we accelerate, the system automatically reduces the effect of the interceptor by retracting.
Sandoli.
When the hull is navigating, it should have a heeling angle of around 4 degrees, or at least between 3 and 5 degrees for optimal performance. This is what the Intercepta ENG is managing. But if I accelerate further and exceed cruising speeds, the hydrodynamic lift, which increases at higher speeds, particularly at the stern, tends to lift the stern and lower the bow. At this point, the system needs to reduce the effort of the interceptor, as it's doing right now.
Ad alzarla e a far abbassare la prua, e allora il sistema deve intervenire diminuendo ancora l'effetto degli Intercepta, come sta facendo in questo momento. Considerate che avere un assetto ideale significa ridurre il carico.
Keep in mind that having an ideal trim reduces the load on the engines, saving fuel and putting less strain on them. But it also means you go faster.
Poi, quando andate più veloci e l'effetto...
Then, when you're going faster and the effect of the Interceptor has been fully eliminated, it's up to you to adjust the outboard trim. Not bad for this Aquador 250 HT, huh? 30 knots speed.
Nodi di velocità. Il sistema riesce a controllare.
The system also controls heel. Look, I'm turning starboard and the boat remains perfectly stable, level even laterally in relation to the surface.
In senso laterale rispetto alla superficie. Questo accade.
This happens because only one interceptor is working.
Accade che certe barche.
Now, some boats always need trim correction, and the system can be calibrated with an offset, allowing the blades to start from that position and adjust accordingly.
Partendo proprio da quella posizione. Il sistema è stato sviluppato anche attraverso l'intelligenza.
The system has been developed with artificial intelligence and is able to learn certain behaviours of the boat to improve over time.
Inoltre gli Interceptor.
Additionally, the Interceptor can be integrated with Zenta Systems, another brand of the Quick Group, as well as the MC² stabilization products like Viator fins and the Quick Gyro Stabilizer.
Quick Gyro. Tutti gestiti da...
All of these can be managed by the C-centric system for complete stabilization, both at anchor and while navigating.